Hi guys. So nagkalalabas lang namin sa IKEA. Bumili si Ruby ng ice cream. So ngayon
Because I was craving.
um,
And
strawberry and hot
hot
dogs.
dog.
Ako na nga bumili, dalawa pang order niya.
Samantalahin ko na.
Masarap kasi. Bakit ba itong kinain natin? Dapat ng hotdog muna.
Matunaw.
Yan na nga lang. Ganito ako kumain ng hotdog ay ng ano guys, ng ice cream. Ganyan.
Hindi, nagpanakla. Yun ay jud.
Ay, gibutdan ko tiyan guys. Ano ba yan nabuturan? Kinabagan.
Sus, interpreter pa ko. Taga. Luuya, oy.
Mahal ng bayad ito. Sarap.
Sarap na lang kay. The whole summer, hindi talaga natikman.
Kasi nga, every time na pumunta kami dito, hindi, naulog siya, hindi pala napindot. Yung lamon mo, iba si Ruby kumain nun nila lamon, talaga niya yung buong ano. Ang sa akin, malaki pa sa kanya, naubos na.
Ay, nauna akong nagsubo.
So, siya kasi, ganyan. Ganyan. Ako kasi kumain yan. Ang gigil yan.
No, bet.
Di ba ganyan yung kumain ng typical na ano, na ice cream. Okay.
Yan, buti sa'yo.
Na ano sa IKEA to, ang tawag nito, smoothie. Ice cream,
Soft. Soft.
soft ice cream.
We're eating ice cream.
So,
Why are you not ready?
Ruby is checking with his afam.
Do you fall asleep?
Brain freeze.
Shut up. That's not funny. Because I just love to.
Nabog na na. Lumamig na sa mura ko. Dapat yung inyo na namin kinain yung ano, na freeze yung aking brain. Meron ba akong brain?
You have no brain.
I have a brain, you know.
When she's asking me if she has brain, I said you have no brain.
I have a brain. I'm very smart.
Just the vibrator, yeah. Black, size 7.
0.1 inches.
0.1 inches, she said. This bad, you know.
I'm losing battery.
Okay, go get ready.
They
We're
call me
leaving
I'm
home.
bad.
We're going home now.
Boss na guys.
Nothing, just drive around. Strawberry. It's a soft ice cream. Yeah. Okay, bye. Josh. Okay.
Where can I put this?
Yeah.
Put it again. Oh, that's hard.
Okay. I'll talk to you later. We're leaving. Stop!
Naglandi-landian na yung
I
dalawa.
have to. Who is it not?
Naglandi-landian na yung dalawa. Iba talaga pag may afam tayo, girls.
Yeah.
Mahirap tayo, guys. Wala tayong afam.
Yeah, we have to go. You go get ready.
Ito kasi si Ruby may afam. Ako lang kung afam dito na lang ako ibuhos ko na lang yung aking ano dito sa ice cream.
again.
Naubos na lang.
A lot. We went to Pacific Mall. It's a
Soft
Chinese,
siya.
ano,
Soft, kaya madali lang siyang mag, ano,
Chinese mall.
strawberry.
See, nauna ka pang matapo. Okay.
Ano hanipin yung lamig?
No, because she said to me, I finished first before her. Now she finished first before me.
Because at the beginning, she swallowed all the thing. Now, I have to enjoy the beginning and then swallowed the thing. For her.
Swallow the last part.
So for her, she swallowed the beginning and then the last one, she just like enjoying it. I have to enjoy the beginning and swallow the whole thing, you know. That's the right thing to do.
She said she swallowed the whatever.
No, whatever. Iba talaga pag may afam, guys, no? Tingnan mo, nagmamaritisan silang dalawa, naglalandian silang dalawa sa kanyang afam. Kaya pala bumili ng ice cream kasi tatawag siya sa kanyang afam habang nag-ano sa ice cream. talaga tong si
You have to go.
talaga tong si Ruby, talaga may plano.
I have hot dogs, see? I have hot dogs to eat, see?
Yeah, she likes hot dog. She bought 2.
I got 2. I have to take advantage because she paid for it.
So, pauwi na kami, guys, kasi magpapadala pa ako ng kayamanan ngayon sa Pilipinas dahil yung baka ko kasi nanganak na. Ngayon, yung anak ng baka,
Seriously, we're leaving.
unang anak ng baka, sa nagbabantay yun. Kaya, ibibenta nila, ibabayaran ko na lang. Sayang naman kasi babae yung baka ko eh. So, papadala pa ako ng pera.
Yeah.
Excuse me. So,
Okay, babe. Bye.
may papi babe na sila. Oh, talagang, iba talaga pag may afam, ano.
Stop!
Iba talaga pag may afam, guys, no. Inaaliw ko na yung sarili ko, guys, kasi wala akong afam dito.
Sally wants to go there.
To vlog.
Sally wants to go there to vlog.
Yeah, you have to subscribe in my YouTube, you know.
At your place.
Yeah, but not now. 'Cause
Summer maybe.
I am very
We'll
poor.
bring her to the bush.
Oh, we need to do car racing, man.
And if you want to try to do the car racing.
And to drive your backyard for the cleaning, so Ruby can ride me in the back. And
You have to plan already.
yeah, lots of plan. So, ngayon, guys, pauwi na kami ni Ruby kasi, you know, she's talking to her babe.
Yeah, summertime.
She's
We'll go
talking
there
to her
summertime.
babe. Oh my God, she has a babe.
Okay, bye.
She has a babe, a pam.
Okay, seriously.
Ay. So, yan yung pauwi na kami. Galing kami ni IKEA. We are here in the parking lot. Sa loob lang kami sasakyan kasi kumakain kami. So,
Yung hotdog mo.
ibigay mo sa akin kasi nga nandyan.
Aba, grabe. Self-service to.
Nagre-reklamo naman. Ako na nga nagbayad.
Service to.
Saan yung ano nito? Hindi mo
Ay,
man
hindi ko pala nalagyan.
Marisip. Tingnan mo, bland.
Plain.
Hindi mo lang yan nilagyan ng kahit yung kinain din naming ano, sabi niya dinip na yan, ano, ibang sauce yun. Wala rin, ganito rin.
Hindi ko pala
Ay,
nalagyan.
ay,
Paano kasi
ay.
puno na yung kamay ko?
Ako pang sinisi ngayon.
Huwag na kasi masakit yung tiyan mo. Baka mamaya
Oo nga.
mag-igit.
Nag-igit ako doon sa ano, guys.
Ay, pag yung anak ba kayo, basig may gakaon.
Pasintabi na lang sa kumakain. Kumakain nga ako, hindi nga ako nag-ano eh.
That's different story.
Unmix na lang na pinapakita ko yung igit ko doon na yun.
Oo nga pala, ba't hindi ko inano to?
Okay na, guys. Wala na, pagtsagaan ko na lang itong walang sauce. Ay, excited pa naman ako doon sa sauce. But anyway, mag-ready na kami. Kailangan mo nang siguraduhin natin na si Ruby ay naka seatbelt.
Yeah, car seat.
Seatbelt kasi nga wala akong pambayad. Anyway, I'm not responsible for her offense if ever. But still, sa akin din yan manghiram.
I don't care. Oh.
So, it's my responsibility to make sure that we won't have any offense.
Tagag sigal, oh.
Hindi pa siya maano. So,